Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best juicers of 2026. The powerful machines that extract vibrant, nutrient-packed juices from whole fruits, veggies, greens, and more for healthier mornings, detox boosts, or refreshing drinks. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast chasing maximum vitamins with minimal oxidation, a busy parent prepping quick family batches, a beginner wanting easy cleanup, or someone handling tough fibrous produce like carrots and kale, we've curated top performers blending cold press, masticating, and centrifugal styles. We'll cover yield, speed, feed chute size, noise, ease of cleaning, and user insights to fit your lifestyle and budget. Check the description for latest prices and deals. Let's juice up. The LQZ Cold Press Juicer is a budget-friendly masticating option with impressive convenience for everyday whole fruit juicing. Featuring a wide 5.3 to 5.4-inch feed chute to fit apples or oranges whole, 350W motor with low 50 to 55 revolutions per minute slow squeezing for reduced heat/oxidation, high juice yield, up to 99% claimed, and safety auto stop when lid opens. The dual-layer filter delivers smooth, pulp-free results, while detachable parts and included brush make cleanup straightforward. Users praise the nutrient retention for vibrant flavors in greens or roots, quiet operation, and minimal prep time. Some note occasional pulp buildup in heavy use or plasticky feel, but for affordable cold press with large chute and dry pulp, LQZ offers excellent entry-level performance. Next, the iPhone 400W juicer machines brings strong mid-range power in a slow masticating design for efficient nutrient extraction. With a generous 5.8-inch feed chute, 400W motor at 55 revolutions per minute for gentle pressing, dual non-clogging strainers for finer filtering, and high-yield preserving enzymes/flavors. It handles tough ginger or fibrous celery well, runs quietly with overheat protection, and assembles in simple steps for quick cleaning. Reviewers love the dry pulp, less waste, smooth juice from whole produce, and safety features like lid lock. Minor cons include slightly louder on hard items or filter clogging with soft fruits. But for powerful cold press performance tackling variety without much chopping, iPhone provides outstanding value and reliability. The enormous cold press juicer shines as a versatile masticating model for high-yield batch juicing. Boasting a 5.4 to 5.8-inch wide chute for minimal prep, 400W motor with multi-stage slow extrusion at low RPM, strong auger for tough veggies/fruits, and precision filters minimizing foam. It produces nutrient-rich, low-oxidation juice lasting longer, with easy 3-part disassembly and brush for fast cleanup. Users highlight excellent performance on leafy greens, vibrant tastes, and family-safe design with auto shutoff. Some mention initial assembly learning or needing reverse for clogs, but for reliable cold press with power for fibrous produce and convenient whole ingredient feeding, Enormous delivers consistent, high-quality results perfect for daily routines. The Ninja Never Clog Cold Press Juicer stands out as a premium masticating powerhouse for nonstop, customizable juicing. Engineered with anti-clog auger, total pulp control, less or lots via filters, powerful slow motor handling tough ingredients like kale or carrots without jamming, high yield, and minimal foam. The compact design includes larger containers, dishwasher-safe parts for super easy cleaning, and quiet operation. Reviewers rave about flawless greens performance, fresh vibrant flavors, durability, and how it outperforms expectations for daily use. It's pricier with smaller chute requiring some chopping, but for clog-free reliability, superior juice quality, and effortless maintenance, Ninja offers top-tier engineering and longevity. Finally, the Xen 800W juicer machine takes the top spot as the ultimate fast centrifugal extractor for quick, high-volume juicing without waiting. With upgraded 800W motor, dual speeds, low for soft, high for hard, extra-wide 3-inch feed chute fitting whole apples/carrots, stainless steel build, and anti-drip design. It blasts through produce in seconds for large yields, easy-to-attach parts, dishwasher-friendly, and sturdy safety lock. Users love the speed for busy mornings, efficient extraction leaving dry pulp, and handling variety from oranges to beets effortlessly. It's louder with more foam/oxidation than cold press, but for powerful, time-saving performance at an accessible price with simple cleanup, Xen reigns as the best overall for speed and convenience. That wraps up our top 5 best juicers of 2026. From the convenient LQZ Cold Press Juicer, powerful iPhone 400W juicer machines, versatile enormous cold press juicer, reliable Ninja never clog cold press juicer, to the speedy Xen 800W juicer machine. There's a juicing solution for every health goal, kitchen, and routine. Which one will kickstart your fresh juice habit? Comment below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more wellness reviews, and check the description for deals. Thanks for watching.